This is probably the worst thing about renovating. It's like needing to be like, it will be great, but until it's great,
it's crap.
Whoa! Time to stop laundry. Time to demo, Benny. Better get these washer dryers out and then we'll knock out a wall. That used to shoot flames out the bottom. I don't know if I've got any footage of it, but this thing, gas, you can see all the burn marks.
It's still hooked up?
It's hooked up, but I think I disconnected the water to it, so it can't fire it.
Sure.
But it's pretty funny. Oh, we can try. What's gonna happen? Wait, what did I disconnect? Oh, maybe I disconnected the outlet, so the water will probably just go into the house. Oh, it's still got water.
Whoa!
Yep. So I better turn it off because I don't know where the water's going. Worst hot water service ever. Lucky, I got a new one coming. This house was all hand built in the 80s with locally milled timber. So we're actually gonna save some of this timber from this cupboard because it's the same timber that's on the roof. So we might need some little patch panels down the track. So we're gonna be a little bit careful with our demo today and then not so much careful when we get to the floor. But I'm gonna be pretty happy to see that hot water service gone. Check this out.
Unbelievable.
Oh, wow, this next level. All exposed pipe, no way. Look at all the soot on it. Oh, yeah.
Turn it on now and see what happens.
No way.
What?
And look at the wires for the igniter are basically in the flame path. There's soot on everything.
Or I could turn it on and see where does the flame come from?
It comes out the bottom here. These are all the little grills where all the gas comes out. So there's the igniter.
Do you want to turn it on?
No, not really. Do you want to die?
I reckon it's more
Can't be
dangerous with the
safe.
cover on it.
And even the fumes. Oh.
It'd be more dangerous with the cover on it.
This must have been one of the first instant hot water systems. This house was built in the early 80s, but this laundry has been redone at some point, like our previous bathroom. Demoing older buildings is quite easy in comparison to newer stuff because they didn't use any glue, there's no waterproofing, things come up easy.
I couldn't even tell you what road I was on or if I was only dreaming. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you say. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you will be fine if you just keep moving on and don't look.
Fresh room, ready to go. All right, get this floor up. These ones will come up easy.
Yeah, I'll start here though.
Go this way.
Yeah. Obviously that's the water.
Yeah, I know, there's a fair bit of water damage there. That's where the washing machine was. I reckon there was water damage before they put the tiles down, and then it got worse.
Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you're on the right track, that you're on the right road, you say. Don't you wanna know, don't you wanna know that you will be fine
How's your laundry going?
Just admiring our alfresco laundry.
Very
Isn't
good.
it beautiful?
Oh, it's so good. Guess what? It works.
It does. This is probably the worst thing about renovating. It's like needing to be like, it will be great, but until it's great,
It's crap.
it's
All right,
really bad.
on to the next one.
All right, can I have a look at what you've done?
You want to have a look at the laundry?
Yeah, can I get in here?
No, not really.
right.
We'll go around the other way.
Okay.
Did you actually know that we had a door here?
Yeah, we could just never really use it.
We couldn't see the door.
Look how clear it is.
Yeah, I got rid of all the trees.
Oh my god.
Done a bit of landscaping in my time off.
Look at that view. Like when we get rid of that thing, it'll be good.
Yeah. Into the laundry.
Oh wow.
Surprise.
Do you know what though? This really excites me.
Yeah.
Because
Oh,
this looks big.
get in there.
Yeah, this excites me. Look how big it is.
It's huge.
Gosh, it's so good.
It's very
So-
dark. Wait, this light still works, I think.
Oh, huzzah.
Fancy.
I love it. I mean, I've got some work to
What do you mean you love it? It's
I
terrible.
love it because
it's a mess.
I can see the vision.
Oh,
but I
okay.
love the fact that we're going to come further. So you're standing in the bathroom, what will be the bathroom. So the design that I've done is essentially a square, Jonno, for your bathroom. So we're going to come out, because this is 1.7
So it's 1.7
wide,
by
it's pretty much
1.7.
1.7 this way, which gives us extra space for the laundry. The only thing, you found bare bits of ceiling, didn't you?
I did.
That's
I
gonna
hope
need
I've got enough, because the ceiling, the nice ceiling, ends where the old laundry
Yeah,
finished.
but we need more of it.
I'm hoping I've got enough to mix and match and patch.
That's going to be an interesting
1, 2,
job,
3,
though.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 27 boards. Because you know that old cupboard that was behind you over that wall that's burnt?
Yeah.
That was made out of the same ceiling cladding, all the shelves and the wall and the...
Oh, that's where you found it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, well, hopefully, because you're going to need you'd probably want another metre on here, but I think it'll be shy of a metre, but
It's going to be less than a metre, I think.
yeah, it will be less, but you want to, you know.
Yeah, we'll
Yeah,
see
so
what
I
we
reckon
can
it's
do.
going to be really good. Here's me washing, nice new window. Oh, we've got to work out windows. So much to do. Oh, and the joinery is going to be epic, isn't it? New cabinetry. So this, basically, the idea is, oh my God, Dusty, what are you doing down there?
He's been doing that every day we're working. He
Really?
keeps like sneaking in.
Oh, is that his favourite spot?
No,
Okay.
it's just so he can like come in and bark at us.
Yeah, okay. So the concept for here, you can enter off our hallway, but essentially we want this to act as our main working entrance space into the house.
Mhm.
Also for when John is outside, he gets dirty and messy when he's mowing, or if he goes out fishing or surfing, he comes back all wet and just like needs to chuck his stuff somewhere. So the idea is having somewhere, so it'll be a tiled floor, having somewhere to chuck your clothes, chuck them in the wash, and then have a shower if you need a shower.
Mhm.
And also, you know, stuff to put your things and then head on into the house. That's the idea. So I'm not going to say mudroom because we don't have as much space for a mudroom really, but it kind of is an entrance mudroom sort of vibe on here.
It's just a secondary entrance.
Yeah, it's going to be epic.